Hey, Ryan here again. I want to give you a quick overview of these felts. I guess they're advertised as anti-corrosion washers. These are anti-corrosion washers by P. Solder. I think that's the name of the company. Real quick, two things about these. They are of felt material. If there's something in this, like a chemical or something that prevents the corrosion, maybe does. I have absolutely no idea, to be honest. I could care less because it does what it says it's supposed to do. You have your green, you have your red. This one goes on the negative terminal of your battery. This one goes on your positive. I'll kind of show how this actually works using this Optima battery. Side note, if you're not using an Optima battery, these things are just super awesome because you can deplete them, you can charge them, you can deplete them, you can charge them. They last forever. And if you're using a C-Tech, this is the game changer of all game changers. Battery terminal or battery charger could be used on lawnmower batteries, car batteries. I use this. This is currently connected to a battery right now, and it gives you indicators on here and will literally fix somehow a car battery or a lawnmower battery that for whatever reason it is saying it won't keep a charge. I'm like in disbelief on how this actually works. So side note on that. If you have a battery you think it's just done, I've had batteries, literally the shop where I'm going to get this tested, they're like, it's dead, you gotta throw it away, it's no good. I'm like, let me give this thing a try. Hook it up here. Sometimes it takes 3 or 4 or 5 days because the battery is just so dead, and it like fixes the battery. I don't know how it works, but the technology is fantastic. I can't speak highly enough of that. I digress. And so here you would take your red felt, you put that over this, and you put that over this, and you would clamp your battery terminals right here. Pretty simple. These are pretty cool because they do have this extra ring here that makes it so if for whatever reason the lead top of this is larger than this, you just pop this out and then you put that down over it, you clamp it down, and you're good to go. So if you do have a challenging time with your terminals getting some kind of corrosion, I've been using these things for, I couldn't even tell you how many years, and it definitely minimizes, almost prevents completely, but definitely minimizes to a negligible amount any kind of corrosion you're going to get, and hopefully that helps.